Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I just have one slim card. If you see yesterday's video, I did a few plain, simple ones using Dollar Tree stickers, just plain, cute. But today I wanted to make a more embellished one. And this is using Andy's die, and it's the one with the hearts. You can turn this into a shaker, but I did not. I just used the layering pieces. But then he also has these right here, these little light posts. I thought they were so cute. You get a big one and a small one. So I used the biggest one. Let me see what size they are. So the small one is 4.5. The big one is almost 5.5. I used the big one. I thought it was going to look really cute on a card. So this is my card right here. So I use the card base itself and the layering piece, and there's your little light post, and I think it came out so cute. And then I added 2 of my rolled flowers. This is the rolled flower without a die, and this is one using a Cricut file, and this is a flower from Michael's. This is from Dollar Tree. The sentiment is from Anna Griffin, and then that butterfly, I forgot where I got that from. I think it was eBay. But I think it came out super cute. And then I put the heart in the back. I didn't do anything yet. But you see how you can make these slim cards very plain and simple, still cute. Or you can still embellish it as much as you want. And it's just so easy because it's like you don't really have to do much. But yeah, I just wanted to show you real quick. This definitely is a must. Can you picture this as embellishments for Christmas? Girl, this one, definitely you need in your stash. But okay, guys, I just wanted to show you my quick little card, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.